When Nobel Prize breakthroughs meet space miracles, the next node that changes civilization has arrived. These 5 technological advances are rewriting humanity's future. In October of 2025, the Nobel Prize in Physics marked a milestone for quantum technology. The macroscopic quantum tunneling effect disk, overseen by the Clark team, finally solved the century-old problem of the applicable scale of quantum mechanics. They used superconducting materials to build Josephson junction circuits, allowing macroscopic systems composed of 100 million atoms to exhibit quantum tunneling properties, like making a ball pass through a wall directly. This basic research from the 1980s has now spawned a practical revolution. Beijing Boson Quantum launched a 1,000-qubit coherent optical quantum computing cloud service with a coupling precision of int8, surpassing the int5 level of D-Wave. 500 qubits is a watershed. 1,000 qubits can solve real problems. Zhu Jiangwei, vice president of Boson Quantum, pointed out the key. This system has significantly improved the accuracy of breast cancer mammography screening and can also reduce the drug development cycle from several years to several months. As of 2025, the Benyuan Wukong quantum computer has completed 530,000 tasks for users in 145 countries. McKinsey predicts its economic impact will reach $877 billion by 2035. But challenges remain. A single device costs tens of millions of dollars, and software algorithms are still an unsolved bottleneck. When computing power breaks through hardware constraints, AI is achieving cognitive leap through the world model. Huawei SN384 supernode system made a stunning appearance at the 2025 AI Conf. Events. Its computing density of 300 flops increased the training speed of 100 billion level models by 2.5 times, surpassing the performance of similar systems from NVIDIA. The more crucial breakthrough lies in the smart brain. Sensitime's Juing-Kaiwu model can generate rare driving scenarios such as sudden obstacles in extreme weather in batches. These situations, which are rarely encountered in real road tests in 100 years, are becoming the simulation training ground for autonomous driving systems. Tencent Hunyuan 3D world model subverts content creation. Inputting simple text can generate navigable 3D scenes, increasing the asset production efficiency of the game industry several times. Liu Wei, former Tencent scientist, pointed out that this simulation prediction exploration capability marks the transition of AI from perception to cognition. Meta's VGEPA 2.0 competes with it remotely, jointly promoting AI from data feeding to rule modeling. In the future, robots will be able to preview thousands of possibilities in the virtual world before acting. In a globally shocking experiment in 2024, the injectable drug lenacapavir created a medical miracle, achieving 100% HIV infection protection in African adolescent girls, with a protection period of up to 6 months. This breaks the protection limitation of daily medication and brings a revolution to areas with high HIV prevalence. Traditional oral medications require strict adherence to medical advice, while injectables use intramuscular sustained-release technology to maintain a continuous effective concentration of the drug in the body, combined with quarterly medical follow-ups. A complete protection network can be formed. Data from the World Health Organization shows that the HIV infection rate among women in sub-Saharan Africa has decreased by 37% due to this drug. More importantly, it has restructured public health strategies. Areas that previously required the establishment of dense medication points now only need mobile medical vehicles for regular vaccinations. However, supply chain challenges remain. The global annual output can only meet the needs of 12 million people, and pharmaceutical companies are accelerating production expansion to fill the gap of 28 million people. After ferromagnetism and antiferromagnetism dominated the material world for 100 years, scientists confirmed the existence of a third magnetic order, alternating magnetism, in 2024. This material can switch quickly between two magnetic states like a switch, with both high stability and low energy consumption. Its secret lies in the atomic arrangement. The spin directions of adjacent atoms reverse periodically, forming a unique magnetic structure that allows electrons to transmit information without heat loss. This breakthrough marks a turning point for the computer industry. Existing silicon-based chips generate a lot of heat due to electron scattering, while spintronic chips made of alternating magnetic materials can reduce energy consumption by 90%. IBM has launched prototype development and expects commercialization before 2030. By then, the power consumption of data centers will be reduced by 1/3. Mobile phone battery life can be extended to 1 week, and it may even provide a stable storage solution for quantum computers. In October of 2024, the fifth test flight of the Starship achieved a historic breakthrough. The booster was captured and recovered in midair by the chopstick robotic arm of the launch tower. This technology solves the core pain point of rocket recovery. Previously, the success rate of parachute landing or landing leg recovery was only 60%, and maintenance costs were high, while robotic arm capture increases the recovery efficiency to 95%, reducing the cost per launch from $100 million to $7 million. The plummeting costs have activated the space economy. The number of commercial satellite launches in 2025 increased by 210% year-on-year, and lunar resource exploration companies plan to use starships to transport mining equipment. NASA Administrator Nelson Bluntly said, "When the cost of entering space is comparable to that of an intercontinental flight, human settlement on other planets will turn from a dream to a plan." But technological iteration is still accelerating. Blue Origin is developing a lighter robotic claw system, and a cost competition in space transportation has begun. From microscopic quantum to deep space exploration, from disease protection to intelligent revolution, these breakthroughs are not the end, but the starting point of a new journey for human civilization. The next technology that reshapes the world may be quietly sprouting in a laboratory somewhere.